Yikes, AMC has been on a downtrend. And unfortunately, I got into AMC on Tuesday and I am down quite a bit. I did not learn my lesson from 2021 when I lost over $650,000 by selling naked calls. So that was a bearish move. So the move was correct, but because I over leveraged, I sold way too many naked calls. And because the implied volatility was over 800% the day of the short squeeze, my portfolio got liquidated. Everything. 2 years later, I'm back into AMC long, but AMC is not doing well at all. 2 years later, I haven't learned my lesson to stay away from meme stocks such as AMC, such as Bed Bath & Beyond, such as SIVB, Silicon Valley Bank. Lost money. So I'm currently down this year alone, $10,000 on AMC. Let's take a look at this chart. It's a very ugly chart. 5 days ago, down 43%, 1 month, 81%, year to date, 76%. If we go to max, it's down 95%, and people are still selling. What happened to the strong community? The ape community, what happened? Why are people selling at 90 to 95% loss? So, people are scared right now. So what's driving this down? AMC shares slide more than 30% after theater chain announces plan to sell additional stock. Shares of AMC fell sharply on Wednesday after they plan to sell up to 40 million new shares to raise capital. The stock dropped 36.8%, bringing it to $8.62 per share. On a split adjusted basis, that is AMC's lowest close on record. So we had really bad news. There was reverse stock splits, followed by some good news. The Barbie generating over $1 billion, Taylor Swift coming on board, and then boom, bad news, and the stock drops 36%, 50% the last 3 days. It says AMC was widely expected to sell additional shares after the successful conversion of the preferred ape shares into AMC common stock in August. It followed the settlement of a lawsuit objecting to the move. You can see the U.S. movie business remains below pre-pandemic levels, and the ongoing strike in Hollywood have clouded the release slate for the rest of 2023 and 2024. If we take a look at Adam Aron's Twitter accounts, he usually posts updates, but he has not posted since September 2nd. I guess you now all realize exactly why I had a keen interest in attending Taylor Swift's mesmerizing The Eras Tour concert back in early July. So this is 6 days ago. September 2nd was his last post saying how much the tickets were going to be, and that's it. Nothing in regards to selling 40 million shares. What happened to Adam Aron? He doesn't care about us retail investors. Why would he? Look at this AMC chart. It's very ugly. Right now, there's no bottom. So this is a weekly chart all time. And we go to a daily chart. Again, there is no bottom because we are at the lowest. So again, this can go back to $2. That would be a very scary thing. I have shares, I have spreads, I have calls. So what I'm thinking of doing is buying some puts. And I think if you have a lot of shares, also do the same to hedge your position in case there is more downside. The premiums, they're a little bit elevated. So you can see the IV is over 200%. So we take a look at a September, this coming week's options. We have 38,000 volume traded for the 7 strike. So people are expecting the stock to go below 7. So just be very cautious. I actually have a spread that I'm a little bit worried about. And I also have calls at 7.5 strike. I don't know if we're going to get a bounce, especially if we don't get any updates from the CEO or any good news that comes out. This can continue to go down, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Are you buying more shares of AMC? And thanks for watching.